All right, everybody. Jonathan Strickland, apparel specialist with Grimco.
And I'm Colton with Rock.
So today we're going to look at the Rock Eco. There's a lot of similar features to the Next. Obviously, some of the big differences being a larger display. Most similarly, they're still using the chain drive, so you still have the go-to function as well as the half-step function. But most of the differences in the Eco really rely on the head. So why don't you follow me over here to one of the heads and we'll take a look. So I wanted to show you some of the cool features on the new displays for the heads. So it's a lot more intuitive than the Next. Starting off, we've got our print stroke and squeegee stroke speeds that we can adjust right here. So let's just put them at, let's say 50 to start. So now you can actually gauge what your speed is. You can knock this all the way down, let's say to 15. And then you'll see it's a lot slower as it's coming back. So we've got all that functionality right here, which is really nice. We'll bump that back up to something a little bit more normal. Next, we also have the cool auto cleaning feature. So just like the Next, we still have the independent head up and down, but now it's just a push of a button. We're not opening up the whole bracket system. Get in there, do your ink color changes, gives you a lot more flexibility and a lot easier on our shorter printers or just anyone who's not trying to lift the thing. Now, the other cool feature is going to be the micro registrations. Like I said, it's a lot more intuitive. So as we're adjusting our micros, it's going to show you both y-axis adjustments as you make these. And then you've also got your x-axis, which gives you a full, like a number breakdown. So it's a lot easier to go from head to head and matching the same registration points. The other key feature is going to be the safety that you get here. As we break a safety, not only do you get the red halo light, but it is going to tell you on the heads. So say you've got a press operator over there, you're actually going to see, okay, we've got a safety on, make sure we're clear before we do anything else from there. Like we said, it's really just in the heads. That's where you're getting the most innovation on this press. If you like any more information or quotations, feel free to reach out on grimco.com or screensales@grimco.com, and we'll be sure to get you taken care of. Thank you so much.